Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, March the 23rd, 2020. We have a new medium Sudoku, only one Sudoku today in this episode, so let's get started. Alright. I will start with a 4. Shall I start with a 4? No, we will start with a 1 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we have a 1 in the last column, a 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for a 1 should be here and there, but we see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for a 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for a 1 is here, here or there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Then let me see. A 5 in the third row, a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for a 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then I will continue with another digit. A 6 in this row, a 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 6 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. I see there an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8, should be this one. Then a 4 in this column, a 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box remains for the 4, should be this one. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 4 is here and there. But I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for 4 is here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 3, and 9. I see here a 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 3, should be this one. Then we have a pair, 9 and 2. 9 and 2, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 in this middle column is here. Then 1, 2 is missing in the middle column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 and 8. 2 and 8 are missing. 5, 2 and 8, 6. Yes, all right. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8. Should be this one. 6 and 7. 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So in the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be here. And I remember in the middle column, here, these 2 numbers reserved for the 2 and the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 3, 7, and 9. 3, 7, and 9. I see here the 9 and the 7. So 1 digit left for the 3. 9 and 7, 9 and 7 as a pair. I see here we have a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Then two numbers left in the last column. The numbers are 6 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 3. Then we go to we go to 7 and 3. do something with these 3 numbers. These 3 numbers are in the second row for the numbers 9, 6, and 7. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Here also 6 and 7 in this column. That means, yes, 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be here and there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 9 is here. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for the number 7 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Now 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. Now we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes here. 1 number left in this big square, in this column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 6. 1 number left for this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode, and I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday for a new edition of Sudoku. Thank you and bye-bye.